how to delete character in Last War Survival. So you can either delete character or delete your whole account by two methods in this game. So first of all, you wanna hover towards the top left of your screen where you can find your profile. So from my profile, you'll have to hidden towards the settings, that is at the bottom middle. So you can see the settings option. So once you're in the settings option, you can go to general settings for the first step. So you can hidden towards the general settings, and from there what you can do is simply scroll down all the way up to bottom where you can find delete account. So once you press on delete account, you can simply delete the character or delete the account. So another step is going back to the settings and you can find out the delete character option. So from directly from that option, you can simply delete the character. Also, the deletion is irreversible, so you'll have to keep in mind. So that's the two ways you can simply delete your account or your character in this game. So you'll have to keep in mind that deletion is irreversible and work accordingly. So hopefully the information was helpful. Thank you.